This is a serious 3-bin industrial composting system here that I helped get restarted. It had been built by somebody else originally, but it wasn't being used. This serves a restaurant and resort area, and basically it's a continuous composting thing. So there's some mucky material and stuff we threw in here, but some of this is soil that was dredged out, but a lot of it is compost coming from underneath here. Been throwing all kinds of things in here. There's seaweed that's gotten chucked in here. There's a lot of insect life in here, and then there's kitchen scraps that are going in. Not as much as should, because trying to get the staff to adopt the system has been kind of obnoxiously difficult for some reason. Like, everybody wants to throw stuff in the regular trash still. But look at this. Get some nice stuff in here. It's looking good. It's fluffy. You can see it's got some white in it. That's beach sand, because there's a lot of seaweed that washes up on the beach here. And compost that too, but this is light and fluffy. It's pretty interesting. I always like doing the compost pile archaeology. So there's grass clippings that are going in. They don't spray anything on the grass here. Palm fronds and other stuff, which will take longer. But as this area fills up here, another couple of months maybe, they take the whole thing and fork it over into this empty one over here and start again with this one. And then by the time it gets over into the last one, it's going to be awesome. But this is just a larger system of the backyard pallet bin type of a thing that I've been showing you guys. So I thought you'd like to see that. You don't need to do any kind of a system that's near this complicated. For a backyard, you really don't need much. And you can find out a bunch more about composting and start composting today with my free composting guide. I have a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.
Do you throw banana peels in the trash? Are your coffee grounds also being thrown in the trash? Do you compost ham? Are you sick and tired of all the rules about composting? Do you wish you could compost in a super easy way? And stop throwing things in a landfill? And stop being a terrible person? Click on the link below and sign up and get my new composting booklet, which shows you how to compost easily and simply with hardly any work at all. It's insane how easy it is because it follows natural principles. Sign up now. Quantities are not limited.